Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view Telegram messages without it being seen. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open up our Telegram application. And after we have this Telegram application opened, we can just select the messages we want to view without it being seen. For example, I'm going to view the messages from this chat. If we want to do that, we just need to tap and hold on the profile picture like this, and then here you will be able to view the messages without being seen. And this is the message from this contact, and if we're done reading the messages, we just need to go back, and as you can see that the messages hasn't been opened. Alright guys, and that's how we can view Telegram messages without it being seen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.